Mia, what does the monkey say? What? I didn't hear you.
She's busy with ice right now.
She likes to chew on ice.
What does a cow say? What does a doggy say? What does a cat say? What does a monkey say? I love when she does that. What else? What does a pig say?
What does a lion say?
What's a lion say? What does a horsey say? What are you eating?
What does Froggy say?
What?
What does Frog say? Ribbit?
Ribbit.
Ribbit.
What are you eating, Mia?
Mia's gonna break all of her teeth.
Well, they're her ice? Yeah.
She's already chipped. She's already chipped 2 of her teeth because she chews on everything.
Well, they're baby teeth.
Mia, did you have fun?
Here, Helly.